Is your SUV's floor constantly dealing with dirt, mud, or spills? Whether you're off-roading, dropping the kids at school, or just living life, your vehicle's interior takes a beating. But don't worry. Today we're diving into the best all-weather floor mats for SUVs that are durable, custom fit, and perfect for all conditions. First up, the WeatherTech DigitalFit Floor Liners. These are the top choice for SUV owners who want maximum protection. They're custom molded to fit your vehicle's exact floor shape, trapping dirt, water, snow, and anything else you throw at them. Durable, easy to clean, and built to last. If you want the best, this is it. Next, we've got the Husky Liners WeatherBeater mats. These are affordable yet still offer tough, reliable protection. With raised edges that trap everything from rain to dirt, these mats offer great value without sacrificing durability. Perfect for SUV owners who need quality but don't want to break the bank. Looking for something in between? The MAXLINER Floor Mats deliver premium protection at a more affordable price. They're eco-friendly, durable, and easy to clean. A great choice if you want reliable mats without paying top-tier prices. A perfect balance of quality and value. Next, the Introtech Hexomat Floor Mats. With their unique honeycomb design, they trap water, mud, and debris like no other. These mats offer superior protection for all weather conditions and have a flexible design that molds to your SUV's floor. Stylish, practical, and ready to take on the elements. Last but not least, the Lloyd Mats Rubber Tight. If you want a simple, no-fuss solution, these mats are perfect. Made from durable rubber, they provide easy-to-clean, non-slip protection at an affordable price. Ideal for those who want something that works without the extra features. So there you have it. Whether you're looking for premium protection, a budget-friendly option, or something in between, these all-weather floor mats will keep your SUV's interior looking clean and fresh all year round. No more worries about spills, dirt, or wear and tear. Click the links in the description to grab the perfect mats for your SUV today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on keeping your ride in top shape.